let's talk about the amazing island of Koh Phi Phi, Thailand. Now for me personally, Koh Phi Phi was probably my favorite island of the entire trip. There's no cars on the island, it's foot traffic only, but there are a ton of things to do there. There are tons of restaurants, bars, pubs, little clubs there, beautiful beach areas. A lot of the roads are this really cool sort of like bumpy plastic yellow road. It almost kind of like a Wizard of Oz yellow brick road sort of a thing, but it is a very, very cool island. There's shows at night, tons of stuff to do during the day. One of the other things that I would highly recommend doing now that it's back open is Maya Bay. Now to get to Maya Bay, you're gonna have to pay someone to take you out there on a boat. We found a guy that just had a traditional long-tail boat out there that drove us out there for a great price.
We are heading out from Koh Phi Phi main island to go to Maya Bay. It's gonna be awesome, and there's our driver.
We've been through hell to get on this goddamn trip.
Yeah, pretty much. There's our driver back there, and here it is.
Just know that when you get there, they drop you off into the water and you have to swim over to a big giant rope net that you then climb up to the island in order to get to Maya Bay. And once you get there, at least when we went there, you have to pay an admission to get in, which I think was like $10 or something. It's not super expensive, but I would say definitely worth it for the day. So once you're done, you go back to the rope net, you climb back down into the ocean, you swim back to your boat, and it takes you back to the mainland. There's also a beautiful hike that you could do in Koh Phi Phi that takes you up these sort of narrow, steep trails and staircases, and it takes you all the way up to the very top of the island. You've probably seen pictures of this view before.
Hey Ryan, you can finally say it openly.
I love Phi Phi.
Yeah, you do. It's weird.
It's so cool when you're at the top. It's absolutely beautiful up there. You can see the entire island from up there. You can see where all the hotels and shops are, all the restaurants, all the beaches, everything. It is well worth the hike, so make sure you do that as well. Now, as far as accommodation in Koh Phi Phi, there are a ton of places. We found a really cool spot with a balcony, which was cool because we were able to kind of just hang out and chill and have a couple cold beers because, as per usual, at this time of year, it was raining all the time.
Had a bit of rain this morning.
Every morning.
Yeah.
So make sure you pick the right time of year to go.
All right, so it's our last day in Koh Phi Phi. It's been piss and rain the 4 days we've been here, except for the first day we showed up, and then we had like 2 hours of good time. But there's English.
Yeah.
Too many changs. We're not gonna let it bring us down. That's for forking sure. I'm gonna go swim in the ocean later, rain or shine. Our snorkeling trip got canceled, which really chaps my ass. But now we're just chilling on the deck, enjoying the rain.
Lovely rain.
Lovely rain. Still hot as fuck, sweating our asses off.
5 days in a row or something of rain now. I can't even count.
It's been at least a week.
Oh yeah.
At least a week of rain. You know, it's hard to feel homesick when it feels like home.
We're just numb.
We're numb.
We're not drunk. We're not high. We're just numb.
Barely even seen the sun.
Yep.
But whatever. I got my Chang. My Magnum ice cream bar, highly recommend it. We're gonna win.